Hey, it's cold as heck out here. The old ridge cap on the roof was coming off, so I came out here with the old rigid screwdriver, the electric one. I don't know if I fell down there or what, but at least I got enough self-tappers in to, oh, there it is. Woo! It's windy as heck out here. Don't lose your footing on the way down, that's for sure. Up. Trying to open the old eye sockets, but we got probably 300-mile-an-hour winds out here. Woo! I think my eye froze. Alright, there we go. I'm on the old descent down the trusty aluminum ladder. Look at this crap. Here's the setup right here. That's the ridge right there. You can see it. You know, if you just follow this right up to the top, for all you people that don't know nothing, that's the ridge.